to do this, you put your patty paper on top of the image. Remember I said use a corner of it, don't use the middle of the patty paper. You are going to put a dot at the origin on your patty paper. Trace that down. You are going to make crosshairs that go through the axes. You're going to draw an arrow at the top, like that. Then trace down the image. Now, it is so critical that you are accurate with your tracing. Because if your tracing's off, it means you're going to get it wrong. So I traced down my image. I made an arrow at the top, crosshairs. I'm going to hold my pencil on the origin, and I'm going to spin this 90 degrees. So when this arrow is pointing sideways, that's 90 degrees. So that's where my image should be. Now, to go about doing this, what I like to do is I hold my pencil where I'm going to trace it down. So I'm going to move my patty paper and trace down that dot. Then I'm going to put that dot right back on top of it. I'm going to move my patty paper, trace down that dot. Move my patty paper, trace down that dot. I can redraw that image. Again, being accurate is so critical with this, because yeah, you mess that up, it's all over. Alright, next one. What does this mean? Rotate 180 around what? The origin. The origin's the center. So again, I'm going to, these are the steps. Put a dot at the origin. Draw crosshairs. Draw an arrow at the top. Trace down your image. I'm going to hold my pencil at the origin and spin 180. So that means the arrow at the top should be now on the bottom when I'm done. And then I'm going to hold my pencil where I should trace, move the image, put that dot right back on top, bring it back, move the image. Just about the funnest process you'll ever do.